Today we have gathered here to brief you on Operation Tekri Nar, which was conducted yesterday, that is on 25th of September, resulting in elimination of 2 terrorists trying to infiltrate across the line of control. This operation was conducted by the Indian Army and Kupwara Police jointly, based on specific input received on 24th of September. As you are aware, the line of control is not very far from here. It's an area which is rugged, mountainous, and has thick forest as well as numerous nalas. The weather condition yesterday was also very difficult, and there was rains as well as thick fog all around. To brief you on the details of the operation, I have here with me the commanding officer who personally led the operation, as also DSP headquarters Kupwara.
Based on specific intelligence input which was received from Jammu Kashmir Police and other intelligence agencies, all the troops were put on high alert based on the input of infiltration in Machhal sector. Joint ambushes of Jammu Kashmir Police and own troops were laid along the likely routes of infiltration. On 25th September in the morning around 7:30 am, under the bad weather conditions, own troops which were on high alert, they observed 2 armed infiltrators in general area Tekri Nar in Machhal sector. The troops then engaged the terrorists, and the gunfight which ensued led to the elimination of both the terrorists. The items or the weapon ammunition which were recovered from the terrorists were 2 AK rifles, 6 AK magazines, 53 AK ammunition round, 4 hand grenades, 2 pistol magazine, and 35 rounds of pistol. Other than this, there was also Pakistani currency which was recovered, notes of 1000 rupee, 3 notes of 1000 rupees, 2 notes of 500 rupee Pakistani note, and 7 of 50 rupees. Other than this, there were certain food items which were recovered. That is all about the operation. Thank you.